Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt and tie from $1. Now you just need $1 to fold this. Now I have a playlist full of dollar origami tutorials where I show you how to fold everything that I have here and more. I'll make sure to link to that in the description below as well as at the end of the video. Make sure to check that out. Now I'm going to show you how to fold one that looks like this. To do that, you'll start with the dollar face up. But if you start with the bill face down, it will look like this. But I do like this one a little more, so that's what we'll be folding today. So we're starting with the bill face up. Now we're going to valley fold in half lengthwise. So let's bring this bottom edge up to the top edge. Just make sure that lines up corner to corner and then crease it all the way across. Unfold. Now we're going to bring both of these edges into that crease line that we just made. So we'll bring the bottom edge into that line, and crease it down. Same with the top edge. Now we'll unfold both of those. Next we'll bring this edge on the left into that center crease. Just make sure it lines up all the way out to that edge. Crease it down. And do the same thing with this edge. Next we'll valley fold down right along these edges. Now unfold that and hold the bill so it looks like this from this side. And we're going to make a mountain fold that runs right from where these creases meet in the center out to where the color changes on the edge here. So I'll show you what I mean. We'll just hold it in the air while we do this. So you can see where I made that crease. Then we'll repeat that on this side. You can start to see the tie shape forming. Now if we flip it over, and if you look at it from this side, we're going to start with this part here. We're going to fold on that crease we just made. Then we're going to make a new crease that lines it up right in the center here. And it doesn't lie flat as you do this. So this paper you'll see kind of sticking up to the side here. So you want to get it so it looks like that. Then we'll do the same thing with this side. Now make sure we bring both of those in right to the center. Then we're going to fold the whole thing down. Make sure it lines up right with this center crease, right with the tip of that tie. And then we're gonna press the paper down right here. Just make sure the top of the tie is right at the edge of the paper, and then press it all down. Then it should look like that. Next, we're going to bring both of these edges back into the center on the creases we made in a previous step. Next, you'll take this part of those edges and tuck it underneath the tie. Next, if we look at the other end of the paper, we're going to fold this white part down right where the colors change. So you should fold it down so it stays completely white. Next, turn it over to this side. Now we're going to bring this point into this crease right in the center, and we're going to fold it at an angle. I'll show you what I mean first, and then you can try to follow that. There's not an exact reference for this, but you want to fold it in about like that. And do the same thing with the other side. Now, if we turn this over and rotate a little bit, we're going to bring this edge up underneath the tie. And you'll line it up right here, and then make the crease on the bottom. Next, we're going to unfold that, and we're going to be forming the sleeves. This step is a little bit unusual. We're going to be taking this crease we have with just the top layer, and this crease is going to reverse. We're going to pull that out to the side, and as we close it back up on that crease we just made, you'll just slide it out like this. That one wasn't too even. I'm going to fix that. So about to there, then you can kind of see what's happening here. And then do the same thing with the other side. And then try to make them even. Next, we're going to fold the whole thing underneath. So if you fold the sleeves underneath, and then you want to make it match up. We get the sleeves to where they go right from these points. Just like that. Next, if you look from the other side, we're going to fold this flap up. And then you'll have to turn it back over to get it placed correctly. You're going to tuck this point underneath these two flaps on the collar. Just get them to go up into the collar as far as it'll go. And then we're making that crease on the back side, just right there. Then we just press it all down nice and firm so we have some sharp creases and it'll hold its shape. And there you have it. Now I'll also link to a video right here if you'd like to fold some pants to go along with that and turn it into a suit. But we are all done. So if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.